Our program is Create Your Phone Ringtones, and we created a combination of instrumental composition, electroacoustic composition, and computer program. Yijing and I are responsible for the creative part of the music. Specifically, I am responsible for electroacoustic composition of the numbers 5 to 9. Yijing is responsible for the number 0 to 4 melody composition. Bowen is responsible for using Python programming to implant the short sound group and electroacoustic music. We create into the 10 numbers 0 to 9 when audience enters their phone numbers or numbers they like on computers, and they can have music that is unique to them. Next, we choose music represented by each number. And next part is our interview.
Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Maggie.
Hello, Maggie. I'm very glad to see you here. Welcome to our project. Let me make an example to you. You can input 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, just you can click the demo and it will play the music. Yeah, you can try.
Okay.
And I want to talk with you about what do you think of this program, or how about your feeling about this program?
Actually, I think this is very fantastic because I can make my only private ring to use my phone, and sometimes I can listening my private ring. Yes, I can.
Yeah.
It's so brilliant.
Thank you. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Tick.
Okay, Tick.
Yeah.
What's your major?
I'm currently studying in civil engineering as my master program.
Okay, that's wonderful. And welcome to our project.
Okay.
Let me introduce this project to you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can input any number you like. Just input a single
Choose
one number. Yeah.
Random number.
Yeah.
So I would like to input my birthday.
Yeah. Okay. Of course.
I mean my date of birth. So just demo it.
Yeah. So what do you think of this program?
At first I have some basic program like MATLAB this program knowledge,
Yeah.
and I feel quite impressive because I can like just input some random number
Yeah.
or my my birthday and my phone number,
Yeah.
and it can just like randomly generate some music for me, and I feel this music quite match my style.
Yeah.
So I still feel like really impressive for this.
Oh, many thanks, many thanks. And what do you think how our team can make some improve for this, or maybe what this program can do in the future in our life?
Like at first, I think like I suggest like you can make more question.
Yeah.
Like for like to generate the random music,
Yeah.
because it feels like feels like my own music.
Yeah.
And like for the future, I think it can be like some work in some business stuff,
Yeah.
like
Like
so
some
like
password?
simply I mean
Yeah.
you can make some money
Yeah.
for this program.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Many thank you for your comment.